In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance scanned PDFs with Adobe Acrobat's Scan and OCR tools. If you've ever opened a scanned document or a photo of a document and found it faint, skewed, or hard to read, these built-in tools in Adobe Acrobat can make a big difference. We're going to walk through where to find them and how to apply them so your scans look cleaner and are easier to work with. Start by opening your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. This process is intended for the desktop application, and it works especially well on documents that were scanned or photographed. Once your file is open, look toward the top corner of the Acrobat window for the All Tools menu. Clicking All Tools reveals a dashboard of features so you don't have to hunt through nested menus. On that Tools screen, look along the left side for the option called Scan and OCR. This is the workspace designed for improving scans and handling text recognition. Even if your PDF is just an image or a camera shot of a page, this is the right place to improve clarity before you do anything else. Within Scan and OCR, select Enhance Scanned File. This focuses on the kinds of issues that happen during scanning, like light gray backgrounds, faint or blotchy text, and slight tilts or warping from the scanner lid. Enhancing the scan helps clean up noise, boost contrast between text and background, and sharpen edges so letters look crisp instead of fuzzy. It's a quick way to make a difficult-to-read page feel like a clean photocopy. If your PDF contains photos taken with a phone or camera, choose Enhance Camera Image. Camera images often suffer from perspective distortion, uneven lighting, and shadows from hands or the lens. This enhancement is built to correct those issues, flatten the look of the page, and balance brightness so the content stands out more evenly. It's especially useful for receipts, forms, or notes captured on the go. As these enhancements are applied, you should notice pages becoming clearer and more legible on screen. Text edges tighten up, images look more balanced, and the overall document feels easier on the eyes. These improvements also set the stage for more accurate text handling if you decide to process the file further later on. That's all there is to it. Open your PDF in Acrobat, head to All Tools, go into Scan and OCR, and use Enhance Scanned File and Enhance Camera Image where they make the most sense. With just these adjustments, your scanned content will look significantly better and be much easier to read and share.